Kaikane Smith here. So, would you like to know how to make your private students fall in love with you? Okay, this one's quite simple and short as it's mostly common sense. Of course, it's easier done than said. If you really want to make your private students fall in love with you, then just follow all of the rules and points in my book and implement them all to perfection, and they will fall in love with you indeed. That's a fact. More specifically, dress, smell, look your best, be cool, look cool, act cool, be professional, be different, and use all of the tips in lesson 15 of my book and every other one as well. Sooner or later, you'll be getting crazy amounts of referrals and requests like you would have never imagined, and tons of money in the pocket and bank as well. And in time, they of course will fall in love with you and continue to study with you until the world ends. No worries. That's it for today, guys. Be sure to check out my cool website, GetRichTeachingEnglish.com, and get my book if you haven't yet. Also, if you have any in-depth questions that need finely-tuned answering or would like to book a private one-on-one consultation to get the best advice on earth possible on how to find a rewarding ESL teaching job abroad, know the best places on where to move to teach English overseas, and learn the secret tips and tricks of teaching and how to make tons of money in the process, then please don't hesitate to book an email or Skype consultation with me via my website. Have a swell day and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Got thousands to put up, so stay tuned. Till next time, peace out, keep it real, and stay focused.